So we primarily focus on the mid-market, and we're finding that cloud is a very real and current theme for them. They're unsure as what cloud means, but for a lot of those organizations, we've heard from the C-level folks that we meet with, they don't want to be in the hardware business anymore. And so for them, it's all about trying to figure out how cloud can be leveraged for their organizations. And so we're spending a lot of time with those companies at the table discussing what maybe a hybrid model might look like, bringing technologies to the cloud, keeping some on-premise, and developing a strategic roadmap to help them get where they are and where they need to be. So one of the most compelling pieces of this for our customers, I think, is that we can extend our managed services offering and really give them a very comprehensive and holistic view of their environment, regardless of whether it's in the public cloud, a private cloud capability, or through an on-premise solution. So that holistic visibility really gives them a lot of peace of mind. What's compelling to me about coming to the Enable Summit this year, actually it's my first summit. We've been an Enable partner for 7 years. We sent our delivery manager last year, who also has responsibility over our managed services platform, and he came back with not only a wealth of information about what he learned from other partners that are of the same size and scale as SWC, but also connections with Enable. We've, out of that relationship, had lots of conversations with product managers, influencing how we're leveraging the tools that Enable provides. And we just felt like there was a lot more connectivity between our organizations, and they're really helping us to enable our business and to grow our business. I think the biggest thing for SWC from a capability perspective is report manager and patch manager. So when we first started managed services, we actually built our own platform. We have a software solutions group that developed a cube for us, the multi-dimensional cube. We pulled all the Enable data into it, and then we could slice and dice that data and create customized reports for our clients. And we did that for a long time, up until about 7 months ago, and then we started implementing Report Manager. So that's been really influential in terms of automating our processes and making a more standardized template to the reports that we're developing. Patch Manager is really important. We too used Windows update services and found that it just was lacking in terms of its completeness and features and really the accountability and the tracking of the patches as they got applied to customers and whether they got deployed or not. So Patch Manager really gives us that centralized view and the visibility into what's happening really behind the scenes, and that just improves the service we're providing to our clients.